What is أحمر?
أحمد A. No, Arabi.
What did you learn today?
Papa's on there? Baba.
What color is this?
Red.
And in Arabi it is?
Arabi. Arabi.
I can't hear you.
Ahmad.
And what else did you learn? What is that?
Chocolate.
What else did you learn? Oh, what did you learn here?
It's small.
Which ones are small? Show me. Did you circle the small ones?
Little chocolate. See? What's more?
What did you do here?
What
What is that goat doing?
That goat doing?
What is he doing?
He's going up the mountain.
He's going up the mountain?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm so happy.
He's happy because he's going up?
Cause him home right here.
Yeah.
And him family.
Did you have fun learning?
Yeah.
Tell me again, what did you learn?
I'm done learning.
What color is that?
Strawberry.
What colors are strawberries?
Red.
They are. What about the apple?
Red.
What about the heart?
Red.
What about the crayon in your mouth?
Red.
What is it in Arabic?
Mud.
Ahmar? You can give me 5. That's not a 5. Yeah.